Hi, today I will show you guys how to use the site Pixton and show you guys steps by steps and all the things you guys need to know. As you can see, all you do is search up Pixton. You're going to click on where it shows a login sign, as you can see. And as you can see all my previous work. If you already have used the Pixton, or if you haven't, you can log in. If I start using login, as you can see all my backgrounds where it shows all the different fonts depending on what you're talking about. As you can see, you can choose variations of nature, city, and school. And for this occasion, I'm choosing school. You can choose the classrooms, high school, what kind of fonts you're choosing depending on what your story is about. As you can see, there's different types of classrooms, and over here it shows different images and different pictures. It gives you many options on the left where it shows the red, purple, and it gives you the categories. You can also choose your own character where you can assign their clothing. So you can see, depending on what you're writing about, you can choose your character's age. You can do different fonts for them. You can make them a child or an older person. You can see, child or an older person. You can choose their hairstyle. Depending on what you want your character to be doing, there's different hairstyles. There's like the braided, short, faded, long hair, and all the kinds of hair. So you can see I'm choosing straight. You can also choose the color for your hair style, and you can choose different skin tones. You can also make your characters have different clothing. As you can see, there's different clothing. We choose this pink shirt and a black skirt. Over here on the left, it also gives you other options. As you can see where it shows the green, the light green, it says action. You can choose different actions for your character depending on what you want your character to be doing in this scene. For example, you can make them walking, thinking, grabbing something, or just making them stand there. And then I'll make them stand there, and you can add different effects for your character. Like you can make them have powers. For example, it shows like over here, it shows like they have powers. And also you can make their face expressions. You can change their face expressions. You can make them happy. You can see there's many options over here. Depending, you can choose anger, scared, disgusted, happy, tired, sad, or concerned. It gives you various options for each kind. I'm choosing the happy one. You can also choose where you want your character to be looking at. You can make them look sideways, just look straight forward at us. You can make them look to the right. Choose this one. And also, you can also add objects. You can make your character be holding objects. As you can see, it gives you many options over here. It gives you what kind of objects you want them to hold. As you can see, you can also add text boxes, where you start creating your comic to start coming to life. You can see it gives you a speech, it gives you many options over here. Speech, caption, sounds, speech, and then it says add words. You click on here, and then depending on what you want your character to be doing or the scene to be about, you can choose the different types of bubbles. As you can see, I'm just going to put a regular speech. And over here, it lets you type whatever you want your character to be saying. Over here, I can put, like, for example, you can put, this class is beautiful. Okay. So once you put that, you place on blue check mark, and it adds the text box on the character. You can also type a setting message, and you can add the expressions of this background. As you can see the text box where it says what is happening. You type again. I'll put, for example, she talked to herself while looking at her new classroom. We're gonna put her new classroom. And once you have all this done, you also again press on the blue check mark where it adds the settings. As you can see, the caption settings. And you can also add a new character for the fonts. As you can see, you can add your characters once again, as I showed you guys, which I really recommend using this site. It's very fun and you can create your own creativity. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day.